Welcome to ChemDoodle Shorts. I'm Mary, your ChemDoodle Pro. Let's learn about naming unbranched alkenes using IUPAC nomenclature. Alkenes are hydrocarbons consisting of a double bond between two carbon atoms. The double bond is shown as double lines in structures. Naming straight-chain alkenes using IUPAC rules is similar to naming alkanes. The prefix in the name is based upon the number of carbon atoms in the longest continuous carbon chain that contains the double bond. The ending of the name is -ene to indicate an alkene, or a double bond in the hydrocarbon. Let's begin with the simplest alkene, which has 2 carbons and 4 hydrogens. First, identify the longest continuous carbon chain that includes the double bond. There are just 2 carbon atoms here, so we use the prefix F. There's a double bond between those carbon atoms, so we use the ending -ene. To name a molecule in ChemDoodle, select the molecule and press the Attach Updating Label button. In the pop-up, be sure that IUPAC name is selected and press Add. This molecule is ethene. An alkene with 3 carbons is propene. The prefix prop specifies 3 carbon atoms in the longest chain containing the double bond. The ending -ene denotes the double bond. As the carbon backbone of the alkene becomes longer, be sure to include the position of the double bond in the molecule name. Use the number of the first carbon of the double bond to indicate this. This alkene is 1-butene. But specifies 4 carbons in the longest carbon chain. -ene indicates a double bond, starting at carbon 1. Be sure to include a hyphen to separate the location numbering and the molecule name. Keep in mind that numbering of the carbon chain begins at the end closest to the double bond. This ensures that the double bond has the lowest possible number. In this alkene, numbering starts on the right, so that the double bond begins on carbon 3. If numbering started on the left, then the double bond would begin on carbon 5, which is larger than 3. So this molecule is 3-octene. Oct reveals that there are 8 carbons in the longest chain. -ene denotes a double bond, starting at carbon 3. IUPAC nomenclature provides a clear and systematic approach to naming unbranched alkenes. Simply combine the appropriate prefix indicating the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain that includes the double bond, with the ending -ene for alkenes. Thanks for watching ChemDoodle Shorts.